ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय कान्वशाख्या बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद द्वितीय अध्याय द्वितीय ब्राह्मण शिशु ब्राह्मण। We saw the mantra. Further now, second line in Bhashya, सप्त सप्तक सप्त संख्याकान अद्विषतो द्वेष कर्तृन भ्रातृव्यान भ्रातृव्या हि द्विविधा भवन्ति। द्विषन्तो अद्विषन्तश्च। So द्वेष कर्तृन, yesterday we saw what is the sutra for the dirgha?
Tasman chaso napumsaka.
Tasmat chaso napumsi is for nakara. For dirgha it is
तेन सह इति
Yo
प्रथमयोः पूर्वसवर्ण। द्वेष कर्तृन भ्रातृव्या न भ्रातृव्याः हि द्विविधा। भ्रातृव्यास means these relatives or brothers are of two types. द्विविधा भवन्ति। द्विषन्तः अद्विषन्तश्च, those who do dvesha and those who don't do dvesha. तत्र द्विषन्तः ये भ्रातृव्याः तान् द्विषतो भ्रातृव्यान् अवरुणद्धि. This sadhana, what it will do? Dvishatah bhratruvyan. Those bhratrin who do dvesha, to them it will stop. Means it will do nasha of those people. So first, Phalashruti is explained. Even in the mantra. First Phalashruti. Then what is it? That is explained later. टीका कथं श्रोत्रादीनां सप्तत्वं द्वारभेदात् इत्याह। श्रोत्रादीनां सप्तत्वं द्वारभेदात् कथं? How they are seven Shrotradi? Because if you say in the Bhashya it is given Saptaye Shirshanyaha, those who are there in the Shiraha. So in this Mukham here, how many are there? Seven. So you say how seven? That is a question. Shrotradi, if you count, how they are seven? Because they are, so he is going to say 2 Shrotrendriya, 2 Chakshurindriya, 2 Granendriya, 1 Vagindriya. So 1 Vagindriya is for stuti and prashansa of others. भाष्य विषयोपलब्धि द्वाराणि तत्प्रभवा विषय रागाः सहजत्वात् भ्रातृव्याः. So who are these भ्रातृव्याः? Don't think some cousin, brothers, etc. Vishaya raga is your bhratravya. Our attachment for Vishayas, because those Vishayas are gathered by Shrotrendriya, Chakshurindriya, Granendriya, Vagindriya, ityadi. So, Vishaya Uplabdhi Dwarani are called Prana. All 7 are called Prana. They are the Dwarani, Dwara, for Vishaya Upalabdhi. Tat Prabhavaha Vishaya Ragaha. Because Indriyasyendriyasyarthe, not only Raga, Raga Dveshau Vyavasthitau. So here Bhashyakar says only Vishaya Raga. But you should understand Dvesha also. So my Raga, Dvesha, they are the Shatrus. This Upasana, what it will do? It will destroy those Shatrus. That is the objective of this Upasana. So yesterday one question had come, why this Upasana, Brahma Pratipadanam is what you have to do. Now it is very clear, this Dvesha Drishti has to be removed. Or Raga Drishti. Why they are? Because Sahajatvat, Bhratravya, they are Sahaja. In each Indriya, Raga Dvesha is Sahaja. Sahaja means? Sahajayante iti Sahaja. Indriyas are there, along with that, Dosha is also there. Like two people, if they are born together, then they will have competition. Not that they are Shatrus, but if two nations get independence together, then they can become like that. Sahajatvat Ratravya. Tika. Katham tresham bhratruvyatvam iti ashankya vishayabhilasha dwarena itya. Why do they have bhratruvyatvam? Vishaya abhilasha dwarena. Because there is Vishaya abhilasha. Tat prabhava iti. That we saw. Tathapi katham tesham dveshtrutvam. So I hope this part is clear now. Indriyas are Vishaya Upalabdhi Dwara. They are called Pranas. The Raga Dvesha in them are the Bhratravya. They have to be eliminated. Whether I do Prana Upasana or whether I do Rama Upasana or Krishna Upasana or Shiva Upasana, any Upasana, I have to get rid of Raga Dvesha. Because when Raga Dvesha Viyuktaistu Vishayanindriyeshcharan Atma Vasher Videyatma Prasadamadi Gacchati. Otherwise, there is no prasadam. So the question is, how they have dveshtrutvam, katham tesham dveshtrutvam, atah te hi asya swatmastham drashtim vishaya vishayam kurvanti tena te dveshtaro bhratravyaha. What do they do? Swatmastham drashtim vishaya vishayam kurvanti. So somebody says, I don't have this problem. Why? Because what is given here? Swatmastham drashtim vishaya vishayam kurvanti. I don't even have Swatmastha drashti. Where is the question of it becoming a problem to go out? Vishaya vishayam. How will you do samasa vigraha? बहुव्रीहि समास. विषयो विषय विषयो यस्याः सा दृष्टिः विषय विषया ताम विषय विषयाम. That drishti whose vishaya is vishaya, that drishti whose vishaya is atma, that drishti will be called Atma Vishaya. That drishti whose vishaya is Atma will be called Atma Vishaya. That drishti whose vishaya is Vishaya, that drishti will be called Vishaya Vishaya. So Vishaya Vishayam drishtim kuran means this Raga Dvesha, what do? They will not allow me to do Brahma Chintanam. We have to see. When we read these panktis and Vyakarana and all, we also need to know how to simplify it for our own understanding. I will not get the opportunity for Brahma Chintana. Instead of thinking about Brahma, I will be thinking of who is this, who is that, what is this, what is that, why this person is like that, why this person. Continuous, non-stop, I can talk about those things. About Brahma Chintana, no, there is no vichara only. This is why tena te dveshtaro bhratruvyaha. That's why they are my dveshis. My real dvesha is in my raga dvesha. They are my shatrus. Kama esha, krodha esha, rajoguna samudbhavaha. Mahashano mahapapma vidyenam iha vairinam. He is your vairi. टीका अथ इंद्रियाणि विषय विषयां दृष्टिं कुर्वन्ति एव आत्मविषयामपि तां करिष्यन्ति तन्न यथोक्त भ्रातृव्यत्वं तेषाम् इति तत्राह. If Indriyas can do Vishaya Drishti, Indriya can also do Atma Vishaya Drishti. Indriya means including mind. Tam Karishyanti, Tanna, but it won't happen. Why? Because of this Dvesha Buddhi that I have towards some Vishaya means anybody, Vyakti, Paristhiti, whatever. Or Raga Buddhi towards Vishaya, Vyakti, etc. It will not allow me to do Brahma Chintanam. Yathokta Bhratruvyattvam Tesham, because they have this Dveshtru Bhratruvyattvam. Tatraha Pratyagatme Kshana Pratishedha Karatvat. Now, more explicitly it is given. These Vishayas, Vishaya means not Vishaya by themselves. They are innocent. My Raga Dvesha for them, they will create problems. So if I don't have Raga Dvesha, I don't have anything. What they will do, these Raga Dvesha, Pratyagatma Ikshana Pratishedha Karatvat. They will not allow me to do Ikshanam of Pratyagatma. Indriyani Vishaya Pravanani Tatraiva Drishti Hetavo Na Pratyagatmani. Indriyas are Vishaya Pravana. Vishaya, they go towards, Pravana means to flow. They flow towards Vishaya. So it is as if Vishaya is down and Indriyas are like water, then going down is so easy. Going up, you have to work hard. These rafting people, that's why they go this way and come in the raft. Ask them to go down and then come up in the raft. It's very difficult. Right? No matter how much they try, the raft will go down only. So, Indriyani Vishaya Pravana, Tatraiva Drishti Heta, Na Pratyagatmani. In that, what is the Pramanam? Tatra Pramanamaha. No, Atra Pramanamaha. Kathake cha Uktam. Paranchi Khani Vyatranat Swayambhus Tasmat Parang Pashyati Nantaratman Ityadi. Paranchi Khani Vyatranat. Vyatranat, what is the dhatu? Dhatu is Utradir. हिंसायाम, utradir hinsayam means trud. It will remain as trud. Trud actually utrandir hinsayam, utrandir hinsayam. So we atranat Swayambhu Brahma. In Brahadaranyaka, I think this is 4th time or so this quotation has come. Repeatedly. So, Khani Indriyani Paranchi, they are outgoing. Bahirmukhani. Swayambhu Vyatranat, by this, Brahmaji, he destroyed them. He did hinsa of them. Tasmad. Parang Pashyati na antaratman. Na antaratman means?
Towards Atma.
What is the Rupa? Na antaratman? Na antaratmanam. Earlier I had mentioned is Chandasa Prayoga. Phaloktim upasamharati. Upasamhara is done. Tatra iti. Tatra yaha shishwadin veda tesham. So phalokti upasamhara is done first. The one who knows this, yatra yaha shishwadin veda tesham yathatmyam avadharayati. Sa etan bhratruvyan avarunudhi apavrunoti vinashayati. The one who knows in this way means he establishes, he does a nishchaya of this prana is Shishu, this Sharira is Shishu Adhanam, and this Shira is Pratyadhanam. In this way, Avadharanam, the one who has, he will be able to conquer his Raga Dvesha. Sa etan bhratruvyan avarunadhi apavrunoti vinashayati. He will destroy these Raga Dveshas. How? Because he will not pay attention to anything idam. His attention is only on aham. When you are paying attention to prana, when you are paying attention only to your indriya, their golakas, etc., you don't have any thought of any other things. And then prana upasana brings chitta shuddhi. Tika ukta visheshaneshu bhratravyeshu siddheshu iti yavat. When these ukta visheshana bhratravya, they become siddha. Mean then when this upasana becomes siddha, how shirshanyeshu dveshtrushu itiva. In these indriyas or there where there is dvesha in there. Indriya will have dvesha for some vishaya. When that is removed, then there is upasana siddhi. Prane vagadinam vishaktatve hetumaha. Prane vagadinam vishaktatva means they are also included in them. Or before that, bhashya. Tasmai phala shravanena abhimukhi bhutaya aha. So now somebody has been listening to this phala shruti. So now what is his question? What should I do to remove my raga dvesha? So phala shravanena, now he is abhimukhi bhuta. Abhimukhi bhuta means now the attention is available. Otherwise, oh, at the prana upasana, some shishu, I don't want, you will casually hear. then they will say this upasana will remove your raga dvesha. Then at the end you say, oh, can you tell me again, because I was not paying attention when you were talking about all that. When you talked about the phalam, then I got inspired that this is what I need actually. I am already Brahma, but my raga dveshas are my bigger problem. So now upasana begins. Ayam vava shishuhu. This prana is shishuhu. Ayam vava shishuhu. Now somebody will say, why you had to call this prana as Shishu? You could have chosen prana name itself, Shishu, etc. So see 6 number tippani. Ayam eva Shishu. Shishuvad vishaya asanga rahitah prana ishyate. वागादीनामिव यतो विषयोस्य न दृश्यते. Shishuvad vishaya sanga rahita. Just as a Shishu does not have vishaya asakti. Right? Newborn doesn't have any vishaya. This thing will drop. He doesn't have any idea of what is what vishaya. So Shishu with Vishaya Sanga Rahitaha Prana. That's why Prana is called Shishu. Whereas Vagadi Indriya, they have Asakti. Indriya will get attached. Prana will never get attached to anything. This we saw earlier also. When the Asuras came to attack all the Indriyas, they got affected. When they attacked Prana with the Papa, then it was like on a rock, a clay lump is thrown. So that clay lump got destroyed. Nothing happens to rock. Vagadinam iva yato vishayo asya nadrish. So that is why it is called Shishu. This is from Vartika Sara. When a person identifies that I have Raga Dvesha, then first thing what they should do is understand this is obstacle for me. Unless I myself understand this is obstacle for me, I will not have desire to get rid of them. I will happily enjoy and entertain these raga dveshas. I will keep commenting on these, that, etc. I should understand this is my problem. When I understand this is my problem, then only I will look for a solution. If somebody says, I don't have a problem, no matter who tells them what solution, nothing will go in. Then first step is no commenting on anything, or whenever you get this raga dvesha, without verbalizing, without going into it, remain sakshi only. No matter what happens, don't comment on anything, either externally or in your mind. Otherwise, mind is like running with all commentaries. Externally, you are not talking. In 2 days, all garbage will come out within it. So nothing should happen. Quietly just remain sakshi. When you feel that something is bothering you or is going to bother you, do more japa. That is the samadhana. And as part of, not that while doing japa, I am just waiting that as soon as japa is over, now I am going to shout at someone. No. Ayam vava shishu. Kaha asau, ko asau, yoyam madhyamaha pranaha. Sharira madhye yaha prano lingatma. The one who is there as prana lingatma. Yaha panchada shariram avishtaha. The one who was given the names Brihat Pandaravasaha, Somarajan, iti uktaha. So this pranapana vyana udana samana. Yasmin vang mana prabritini karanani vishaktani. There were vang mana prabriti karanani, they all are vishaktani, means tadatmya apannani. So all the indriyas, they function only when they get associated with Vang, Mana, etc. Without Prana, without Prana association, none of them can function. Now you see Tika. Prane Vagadinam Vishaktatve Hetumaha. Why the Vagadi Indriyas, they are associated with Prana? So it is said, Padvishashanku Nidarshanat. Padvishashanku. Padvishashanku means if there is a horse, then this horse is tied to a big nail or some post on the ground. They are tied to it. Horse or camel, etc. also are done that way. But here horse Drishtanta is given because of further explanation that it is. See in Tika. Yatha Jatyo Hayash Chaturopi Pahadabandhana Kilan Kilan Aparyayena Utpatya Utkramati तथा प्राणो वागादीनीति निदर्शनवशात् प्राणे विषक्तानि वागादीनि सिद्धानि इत्यर्थः. जात्यो हयः. जात्यः मीन्स प्रशस्त जातीयः. 11 number टिप्पणी means a good quality, good breed horse, like very powerful horses. These horses which carry luggage on Kedarnath and all, I think they are not horse, they are mule. Good quality horse, if they are there, like those who have what they call, horsepower. Actually, they are the ones, real horses. They run fast, they have so much power that is shown here. How? Chaturaha. Chaturaha, what is the vibhakti here? What is the Pratipadika?
Chatur.
Chatur.
Chatur. Prathama Ekvachanam will be?
Chaturaha.
This is Nitya Bahuvachan. There is no Ekvachan. Chaturaha. What is the Prathama Bahuvachan? Chatvara. Chatvara. This is Dvivachan. I mean, Dvitiya. Yatha Jatyo Hayaha Chaturopi Padabandhana Kilan. Let's say all four legs of that horse are tied to nails. Means he is put on the ground, all four. And then he wants to go. Then what he will do? Aparyayana means simultaneously. Paryayana means one after the other. Simultaneously, Utpatya, Utkramati, he will lift all four legs and jump. This like that. When prana decides to go, all indriyas, nobody can stop this prana. In fact, they all are also, this already we saw, all indriya kalaha. They said, we are great. Prana said, I am going. Then you imagine what happens. Utpatya utkramati tatha prano vagadini iti nidarshana vashat. Nidarshana drashtanta. Prana is, when it goes, all the nails and all these indriya, they all will come out. Nothing will stop that prana. And therefore, they all are prane vishaktani, vagadini, siddhani, ityartha. In Bhashya, स एष शिशुः इव विषयेषु इतर करणवत् अनासक्तत्वात्. सः प्राणः, दिस प्राण is शिशुः इव विषयेषु अनासक्तत्वात्. It is not attached to any विषय. इतर करणवत्. What kind of drishtanta is this? Vyatireki drishtanta. Because itara karana, they have asakti. But prana, like Shishu, does not have asakti. Shishum sadhanam ityuktam. Now Shishu with sadhanam. So what is adhanam? Kim punastasya shishor vatsasthaniyasya karanatmana adhanam. Shishu, who is the vatsasthaniya, this prana, what is his adhanam? टीका. शरीरस्य प्राणं प्रति आधानत्वं साधयति. शरीरस्य प्राणं प्रति आधानत्वं. What is the आधानम? Online. What is आधानम?
शरीर.
शरीरम. शरीरस्य प्राणं प्रति आधानत्वं. प्राण, Sharira is adhanam for prana. Sharira will have adhanatvam sadhayati. Tasya hi. Before that, one line is there in Bhashya. Tasya idameva shariram adhanam. Tasya pranasya idameva shariram adhanam. Karyatmakam adhiyate asmin iti adhanam. Karyatmakam adhiyate yasmin. There, that in which karyatmakam adhiyate means this karyatmaka prana adhiyate means sukshma sharira. Sukshma sharira of which prana and indriyas are parts. Right? How many parts are there in sukshma sharira? Saptadasha. So, where is it residing? In Sthula Sharira. Therefore, Sharira is Adhanam. Tasya hi Shishoho Pranasya idam Shariram Adhishthanam. So, this, for that Prana, the Sharira is Adhishthanam. Tika. Sharirasya Adhishthanatvam Sputayati. He explains further. अस्मिन् हि करणानि अधिष्ठितानि लब्धात्मकानि उपलब्धि द्वाराणि भवन्ति न तु प्राणमात्रे विषक्तानि. Pranam, just because they are associated with prana, they are not able to function. When they get the sharira as the locus and they are associated with prana, then they will be able to function. So, asmin hi karanani adhisthitani, asmin sharire, when the karanas are adhisthita, then labdhatmakani. Labdhatmakani means they are able to attain their swarupa. Here Atma means swarupa. For example, Jala. Jala, its swarupa is to have dravatvam. But if the temperature is very cold and it becomes ice, so it is not able to express itself as dravibhuta padartha. So when it becomes labdhatmaka, when it gets an opportunity to become liquid form. Or somebody, let's say, they have drishtanta. Some Mahatma has cooking vasana, let us say. He is itching to do some cooking. But he is not getting labdhatmakatvam there. So when our Pandari goes for some chutti, then labdhatmakani. Now they have avasar prapti. They will enter now. लब्धात्मकानि उपलब्धि द्वाराणि भवन्ति न तु प्राणमात्रे विषक्तानि। टीका प्राणमात्रे विषक्तानि करणानि न उपलब्धि द्वाराणि। Just because they are associated with prana, they don't have the ability to access the vishayas. Upalabdhi dwarani na bhavanti. In that pramanam aha. तथा ही दर्शितम अजात शत्रुना. This is what Ajata Shatru showed. So now you see, this is all explanation connected to the previous one. Because when the person was sleeping, Supta Purusha, and his names were uttered, Indriyas did not listen to them. Because they were all in the Hridaya Desha. When they came back and started functioning in Sharira, by shaking, then he responded. So up to that point, they were not labdhatmakani indriyani. This is what Ajata Shatru showed. In the next line, in Tika, there is one correction. Dehadhisthane prane. I think it says prano. Right? Dehadhisthane prane. विषक्तानि तानि उपलब्धि द्वाराणि इति अत्र अनुभवम अनुकूलयति. देह अधिष्ठान इस प्राण देहाधिष्ठाने प्राणे. देहाधिष्ठाने प्राणे. हाउ विल यू डू समास विग्रह? देह अधिष्ठानम यस्य प्राणस्य सह प्राणः देहाधिष्ठानः तस्मिन् देहाधिष्ठाने प्राणे विषक्तानि तानि उपलब्धि द्वाराणि. These indriyas which have access to do everything through sharira and prana, upalabdhi dvarani iti atra anubhavam anukulayati. That is our anubhava also. In Bhashya, upasamhriteshu karaneshu vijnanamayo na upalabhyate. Upasamhriteshu karaneshu, when the karanas are withdrawn, vijnanamaya jiva is not available. Sharira desha vyudeshu tu karaneshu vijnanamaya upalabhamana upalabhyate. But sharira desha vyudeshu swaswa golaka sambadheshu, when the indriyas are associated with swaswa golaka, then in such karana vijnanamaya upalabhyate. Upalabhamana shabdadin upalabhamana upalabhyate. So now he is Jivatma is available because Vishayas are available to Indriya. In that way, this sentence is formed in that way here. How will I know I am available? Because some Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, some Jnanam or Mana, some Chintanam, Mananam, something is happening. That's why. Tika. तत्रैव अजात शत्रु ब्राह्मण संवादम दर्शयति. तच्चदर्शितं पाणिपेश प्रतिबोधनेन. So this was shown in Ajata Shatru Brahmana by the dialogue with Palaki by Panipresha Pratibodhanam, awakening through shaking him with the hands. Sharirashrite prane vagadishu विषक्तेषु उपलब्धि उपलभ्यमानत्वम इति यावत्. In the sharira ashrita prana and vagadi which are associated with that prana, vishakteshu upalabdhuhu upalabhyamanatvam. Upalabdhuhu, upalabdha is, who is upalabdha? Vijnanamaya. Tika further. Pratyadhanatvam shiraso vitpadayati. Shiraha is pratyadhanam. इदं प्रत्याधानं शिरः प्रदेश विशेषेषु प्रति प्रत्याधीयते इति प्रत्याधानम्। प्रदेश विशेषेषु प्रति प्रत्याधीयते इति प्रत्याधानम्। प्रदेश विशेष इज शिरसि, in the head. शिरसि प्रत्याधीयते। श्रोत्रादि छिद्रेषु which are in the शिरदेश. So mastakam is pratyadhanam. प्राणः स्थूणा अन्नपान जनिता शक्ति ही प्राणो बलम इति पर्यायः, and प्राण is the balam. स्थूणा अन्नपान जनिता शक्ति ही, that strength which is there, that is called prana, balam. टीका बल पर्यायस्य प्राणस्य स्थूणत्वं समर्थयते। बलम प्राणः बलावष्टम्बो हि प्राणो अस्मिन् शरीरे, empowered by the bala, prana is there in this sharira. Om पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।